My name is Sarah Nicole Nadler, and I'm the author of the book Space Patrol. I wanted to talk to you today about the first line in the book, which I've been told is a little bit geeky, so we're going to talk about what it means. The first thing I want to show you is there's this really cool website called the Smithsonian Time and Navigation website. They have this handy dandy tool that I'm going to use to explain the first line in the book. The book says that the captain of the ship, 45 Dancing Girls, is wrestling with spatial currents. Spatial currents are an invented thing by me. Spatial just means having to do with space, and currents are like what you have in water, and it's a ship flying in space, right? So it's kind of poetic a little bit, I thought. But if you look here, we're going to use this cool tool. When you want to reach another planet through space, you need to aim for where the planet is going to be in the future, because things are always in motion through space. So I used that motion in my story to invent this thing where you have an actual, ship, like a boat, flying through space on currents. So that's all that part really means. Now it also says she's trying to keep her keel even. Now what's a keel? A keel in a sailing boat is this part that sticks into the water. So you have this sail which the wind will hit, and because the wind's hitting that sail, it'll have a tendency to make the boat start to flip over into the water. The thing that keeps it from flipping over is the keel. So as the wind pushes here, the water helps the keel stay in the water. So when you're sailing, you want to keep your keel even, meaning straight up and down. So again, that's all that part of the story means. And then it says north-northwesterly. Now when you talk about a compass, you have different directions you could be going, right? Here's north. Now halfway between north and west, if you're going that direction, that's called northwest, right? Well, so what about halfway between northwest and north? That's called north-northwest. So that's literally all that part of the book means. And then going negative on our z-axis, we're going to talk about a really geeky thing here called 3D coordinate geometry. Geometry meaning like shapes, right? Now, this is an example. If you could zoom in here for me. If you are going this direction on Z line, or the Z-axis, if you go this direction, you're going positive on Z. If you're going this direction, you're going negative on Z. So as you can see, this is an easy way to say what direction you're going. Because in space, there's no such thing as up. Up is a relative term that we use because we have gravity, but there's no gravity in space. So there you go, that's your explanation.